During Teams meetings, you can now enable the transcription feature. So let's just see how that actually plays out in a real meeting. So I'm just going to start a meeting now. I'll turn the camera off for this. We'll just join the meeting, and then the three dots at the top here, we click on that and we can see just under start recording we've got start transcription. Right, so as soon as I start the transcript, we get this message coming up that the transcription has started, so everyone will get that. And then you can see that as I'm speaking, it's actually recording everything down here in the transcription. The beauty of this is the fact that it actually ascribes what is being spoken to the person who's speaking. So if there were other people in this meeting, as soon as they started speaking, their name would come up next to what they were actually saying. We can hide the transcript at any time, just like that, and it's still running in the background. And to show it, we just click on the three dots and come back down to show transcript. Once we finish with the transcript, we can actually stop the transcription there and then, and we get a message telling everyone that the transcription has actually stopped now. We can still close it and show it as it was then and scroll through. And then I'll show you what it actually looks like at the end of the meeting, how you can actually access it. So let's end this meeting now. And then if we go to our chat, here we can see that that meeting that I was just in, we've got the transcript here. That's one from a previous one that I was doing. And here's this meeting that we've just done here. So if I click on that, it actually opens it up here and we can see recordings and transcripts. So this is where the recording would be if we'd recorded it as well. So we can see the full transcript here, and we can see who it has assigned this text to. Now, the beauty of this, as opposed to the captions feature, the live captions feature, is the ability to actually download this. And unlike lots of other transcriptions, we can actually download this with two options. So if we click on download here, we've got the bottom one is a VTT, so that's a standard transcription format. But the top one, we can actually download it as a Word document. So if we click on that, it's actually downloaded there. So we can now open this captions file. And we can see, if we just zoom in a bit here, we can see that within the meeting, it's got the times of the meeting here and who said what and what they actually said. So it saves a lot of time if you're having to take minutes for meetings and you need to know who said what exactly.